Hello everyone, welcome to the review of the Crowne Plaza Bangkok Lumpini Park. The room type is king bedroom suite, including club lounge access. The Crowne Plaza Bangkok Lumpini Park is a business hotel in IHG chain located in Silom Lumpini Park. You can travel to the hotel by BTS SkyTrain or subway. Overall, the property is quite old. Currently, they are starting renovation. The swimming pool and main restaurant are under construction and expected finish in May. Some rooms are done renovation already. Please check with the hotel. Luckily, I was upgraded from premium room to suite. Room type is 90 square meter, 1 king bed, living room, and dining area, including access the club lounge. The club lounge access including complimentary high tea, evening happy hours. The club lounge is located on 31st floor in a private area. Overall, food and drinks are very great. Breakfast is currently set up at the meeting room because the main restaurant is under renovation. I also had a chance to dine at Tap In, the beer bar on the ground floor. Gym is well equipped but quite small compared with hotel size. The swimming pool is under construction and expect finish in May. The location is very great. The hotel can access both SkyTrain and subway. Club Lounge is worth to pay. They are going to improve the room. Please check if you want a new room. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.